Excuse me, brother. Excuse me. I'm grabbing it. I break D104, baby. Hey, so I break D104s. I got down.
Hey, big dog, man, you're a little late on the trigger, man, because I already got you 15 seconds into this video gate down here. You know, my audio sounds a little trashy on the video, but at least you know what you're doing down here around the sand pile there, 10-4.
Hey, I just got mine. I just opened up my eyes on these fucking orange eye beauty. This anytime, man. And you see, oh, so social. This gatekeeper detail. Hey, so social. I got a couple of messages today on Facebook. Yo, you were smoking down in my neck of the woods, but I couldn't get it back to you. Oh, so social. The next one, metal clad. Metal clad from front to back. You know what I'm talking about. I got down.
Yeah, I did see you wave at me today, man. No doubt about it. Whenever, you know, I know Facebook's every time it's your birthday and so's birthday, man. You get them waves in there like that. I'm like, yeah, man, I did hear that dude, big dog, trying to blast. I couldn't get in your receive, man. I had some technical difficulties down here in the shop, but I got these little 500Zs here on some small watts there. Break.
Hey, okay, so that was you that responded that hit me up today.
Yeah, 10-4. Yeah.
Look how bad it was, man. I was just telling you about that fella, didn't know it was you. Now I got the name with the fake, with the handle. That's a good thing, man. Yeah, man. This right here is the easy way and the cheaper way to back in the days we used to have to back that postcard or put that baseball hat from your town and send it to somebody else there, 10-4.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, man. I see that all the time. Of course, I remember you because when we were trying to get it together last time on the video gate, you gave me your whole account name there. So that's why I went on ahead and got it in there. But then when you sent me that birthday wish today, I was like, damn, man, I heard that dude the other day blasted. I couldn't get back to him.
I will, Roger D, man. I will, Roger D, no doubt about it, man. For sure, for sure. Well, I tell you, God is good, man. I'm like, damn, I wonder who this guy is. And I meant to reply back to it, say, yo, what's your handle? But something came up. You know what I mean? So, look at that, man.
Yeah, I hear you, man. Well, yeah, that's me, the black shirt. I got my old lady there. We was actually at a funeral that day, but it was a good picture for the Facebook, man, cover, no doubt about it, for my personal page. You know, I do have Soul Searcher 225 out there, but I don't post on there as much as I should, and maybe it's something I'll start looking at next year. But doggone it, man, it's good to hear you out there, man. You sounded real good tonight. Got 9 over on you down here in the pile, but your audio sounds like you're putting me in the red 40s.
I will, right go, man. Gatekeeper, 310, originally a Snowman 250, 214, 46 box. And me and him come up with a plan. We put 2 metal contracts in this box as a test. And took my good 14, 46 and put 2 banging real high potent 2879s in there and did his McNasty. And he said to me, bro, you need to put this in a bigger case, man, because this going to be jammed up. I said, you mean like I don't want to say nothing, and people say that I'm prejudiced, but you know what I'm trying to say, man. And I said, nah, I can't afford it right now, so just do what you got to do. I got to put up with this double up with 5-band switch, and it's stage. And my next one that the wire page got me for my 53rd birthday, which is double over this one, is stage. Oh, so, but that was going to be all iron metal clad. If you ever watch this YouTube channel, you know just what I mean and just how they get down. Just that.
Yeah, Roger. I've looked at a few things that guy's done, man. He does some pretty awesome stuff down there. You know, I tried to do that one mod he had on an old Cobra 25 I had and just fried it. He's like, oh, you know, you use this size capacitor and, you know, you could use this size resistor, blah, 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 you know. And I put that joker in there, man. I keyed that thing down and it blows smoke all right. But I'm sure it was my bad, man. It was an old radio, been sitting around for a long time. But yeah, I like watching that dude's stuff.
I will, right go. It takes a while, but when you get it, like this one went to, when I first sent it to, when I got it back from Adam brother, you know what I'm talking about. I got him to do my Lincoln. He did my Lincoln with a white face, chrome body. And man, I rocked it for a while, and then I got a nice, man. I didn't put a lot into it, but I got a nice profit off it because it went overseas, so out of the country, so I got paid good on it. And then he came back from Adam. He said what he said, you know, and it was about Snowman's work, and I said, okay, the Snowman caught an attitude, yo, don't send this box, yo, you backed up to your ear pockets, man, so I'm trying to get my box, because it wasn't nothing personal. It ain't like he's trying to steal your design, because he said he been there and done that, you know, but, nevertheless, what I'm saying is, look at this key down time on this duck plucker, man. Hey, Soul Searcher, this shit is up so stupid.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you know how it is, man. They all get into that drama. I see it on Facebook all the time, and I usually post like Michael Jackson eating popcorn or something like that, you know, because it's all a bunch of bullshit to me. We just out here having a good time, but man, try to do everybody right when you do something, you know. That's all there is to it, man. The rest of us are just out here having a good time. But yeah, man, we got 6 minutes and 15 seconds. You can see how much key time you got on this radio down here, this Striker 955 there, big dog, while you're blasting down this way, Soul Searcher, stepping on back.
I majority of my videos without my clearance. I just want to know when you made all that noise. Because you see me making a whole lot of noise when I'm in Virginia and I'm that quiet. I got this wicked white noise over here.
Yeah, Virginia, man, I'm losing conditions on Big Dog up there around Baltimore, man. But yeah, you're doing your thing down here.
I could have been down Virginia. Around Virginia, I'm clear.
Roger, around Virginia, Soul Searcher, Sam Powell, clear.
I mean, it's my life. It's kind of good coming from house too, man. You got the only thing I can hear about this man. I've been adding those stars.
Okay.
I got about 10 or 12 more. So I'm going to just put away about like both of them and, you know, they can't help. And down the road, I want to be some more. But no, so I'm going to go back for a minute and let us put these crew off. I'm reading the letter.
410, Big Dog. All right, man. Take care up on that end, man. It's getting a little rough right now. We're starting to lose some conditions. I'm going to go ahead and cut this gate, man. And I'll put it up there on Soul Searcher Radio, no doubt about it. Hey, Big Dog, while you're blasting out of Baltimore, I see you. Soul Searcher Sam Powell in the clear.
Hey, I'm not in Baltimore. Let me represent. What are you doing? Tom, I've been up here for 3 years, man. I'm in Hershey. I'm in the Chocolate City. My parents, my local 696 place. This is Chocolate City. I'm in Harrisburg, PA, in the southeast corner. So, you remember me also from Schenectady, New York, when I used to run that game. Super Base 1000. I'm going to take a trip down to his house one day and just look, and I get, I don't want no beaches. Do me,
yeah, Roger, man. Hey, yeah, man, that's right. I remember you in Schenectady. I remember that one, and I don't know why I got Baltimore in there, but doggone it, yeah, show you're right, man. You're right, out there around Harrisburg, PA.
Who the kids will try to get it fixed to get the person you get it back. Like what happened? Offer. I had to get weather for 7 years. Because my son went to the April for 7 years and said, yeah, you said
I'm losing conditions on him.
But 9/11 was in Pennsylvania, not Baltimore.
Yeah, he's just telling me that.
Oh, okay.
All right, Big Dog, take it easy, man. Like I said, we're fixing to drop out conditions here, man, but we'll be hanging out here a little while tonight. Big Dog around PA. I'll see you.
Filtered private request.
I'm confused.